Homeopathy is a system of alternative medicine based on the principle that like cures like. It was developed in the late 18th century by Samuel Hahnemann, a German physician. The fundamental idea is that a substance that causes symptoms in a healthy person can, in very small amounts, treat similar symptoms in a sick person. Here are some key aspects of homeopathy. 1. Dilution and succussion. Homeopathic remedies are prepared through a process of serial dilution and vigorous shaking succussion. Practitioners believe that this process transfers the healing essence of the substance into the diluted solution, even when the original substance is no longer chemically detectable. 2. Individualized treatment. Homeopathic treatments are highly individualized. Practitioners often prescribe remedies based on a detailed assessment of a patient's symptoms, personality, and overall health, rather than just the specific illness. 3. Holistic approach. Homeopathy emphasizes treating the whole person rather than just the symptoms of a disease. It considers emotional, mental, and physical states in its approach to treatment. 4. Controversy and criticism. Homeopathy is controversial, and its scientific validity is widely debated. Critics argue that the extreme dilutions used in homeopathic remedies are so great that they contain no molecules of the original substance, rendering them no more effective than a placebo. Numerous studies have found little to no evidence supporting its efficacy beyond the placebo effect. 5. Regulation and use. In many countries, homeopathic remedies are available over the counter and are regulated differently from conventional medicines. Some people find homeopathy helpful, particularly for minor ailments, while others prefer more traditional medical approaches. Despite the debates, homeopathy remains popular in various parts of the world, and many people use it as a complementary or alternative treatment option.